Hey guys, behind me is my '06 Chevy Silverado, and today she is looking pretty rusty. The Wisconsin winters have not treated her very well. I visited a few body shops and I've been quoted anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 to have the rockers replaced, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I was scouring the internet and I came across these quick covers from Original Appearance Manufacturing. It's basically a plastic cover that's going to cover up the rockers. It's not structural, but it's going to cover it up and it's going to make it look nice again. So we're going to take a look and unbox these things. So it looks like they're just kind of a black plastic cover. Nice and flexible, so they should mount up really nicely. But I was reading you do have to paint these. These are not UV protected, but I did talk to the company and they are working on a kit that will come already UV protected. So comment below whether you'd want them paintable or whether you'd like the company to continue looking at just a black already UV protected one that you can just slap on the truck without painting. But these will have to be painted. From what I understand, these are going to go in, and this is going to sit underneath the weather stripping in the doors. Let's take a look at how this lines up. All right, that is looking awesome. So we've got, of course, the other side, and then I opted for some additional brackets. My rockers are pretty much gone, so there's nothing to tie the bottom of those covers into on the bottom. These brackets are going to allow me some extra support so that they don't flop around and that they're mounted nicely. Looks like they've got all included hardware. Awesome. And they are labeled, so you know which ones are for where. And we've got an instruction book here too that we can take a look at. Looks like I've got an Original Appearance Manufacturing hat that they've included for me. Awesome. Let's take a look at the instructions. Alright, it looks like they are going to include some adhesion primer for the plastic here. If you'd like to paint these yourself. Now I am going to take these to a body shop and have them professionally painted so that they can match the exact fade color of my paint. It's sat outside most of its life, so it's not quite perfect. So they include that for you, which is awesome. Here they've got the 3M adhesive that you're going to use. A nice big roll actually, so we certainly shouldn't run out. But this is what's going to allow us to attach the quick covers inside of our door jambs. And then underneath the weather stripping. That's awesome. Here we've got our instructions. Some extra details and instructions for whoever's going to paint it, whether you are or a body shop. Looks like there's some important information that you'd want them to know. Sweet. Got a surface cleaner to make sure that the paint can adhere nicely. Right before the primer goes on. And it looks like we've got all the rivets. These are going to allow you to attach the bottoms underneath the truck to either the brackets that they've supplied here today, or if you've still got some body panel material left, these are going to allow you to attach that bottom. And we've got a couple of alcohol prep pads, so we are looking good. Alright, like I said before, these things do have to be painted currently. They are working on a set that's already going to be UV protected. Again, comment below if you're interested in those. Otherwise, they're paintable. They do offer these for lots of different vehicles, so make sure to check out their website. Like I said, I'm going to have these things painted at a body shop, so stay tuned for the install video. And certainly go check out Quick Covers. Looks like these are going to be a great fit and look really nice. Thanks for watching.